Good morning. Welcome to e-learning. I am P. Saktivel, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Today's topic, battery operated vehicles. This diagram shows the battery operated car. See here, various parts are denoted here. Traction battery pack, charge port, transmission, onboard charger, battery, auxiliary battery, thermal system, that is for cooling purpose, DC to DC converter, that is the chopper, and power electronics controller circuit, and electric traction motor. So these are the various parts of the battery operated car. Electric vehicle. Electric vehicle have an electric motor instead of an internal combustion engine. Motor get powered through a self-controlled battery. Battery uses chemical energy to produce electricity. Generally, lead acid batteries are commonly used because of low cost. Major components of electric vehicles: battery, DC to DC converter, and electric motor. Here, DC to DC converter is used to boost the battery voltage, that is, to increase the battery voltage. It is the power circuit diagram of battery operated vehicle. This is battery, this L, F and CF are inductive filter and capacitive filter. This MS is the main switch, and A and B are the terminals. RS is the reversible switch, where D1 and D2 are the diodes, and T is the thyristor. From the circuit diagram, this LF and CF are harmonics filter. MS manual switch, RS reversible switch. This capital L, that is inductor, keeps the ripple low in the motor current. Motoring operation. For the motoring operation, manual switch MS is closed. This MS is closed, and the transistor switch operated at a constant frequency. This transistor switch is operated at a constant frequency to obtain the DC voltage for starting and speed control of the DC motor. During the motoring operation, when transistor is on, current flows through the source to LF, main switch, inductor, this RS and T. When the transistor is off, there is no path to flow of current here. So due to this, the current flows through S, D1, main switch MS, and L and R. Next, regenerative braking operation. During the regenerative braking operation, this manual switch is kept open. By reversible switch RS, armature gets reversed and the terminal B is made positive with respect to A. Previously, the terminal B is negative. In order to make an regenerative operation, by using the reversible switch RS, the armature terminals are reversed and the terminal B gets positive. If transistor on, current flows through T D to L. Current flows through T D to L. If transistor is off, current flows through D1, this LF, and battery D2. This circuit. Current flows through battery LF D2. Next one, induction motor drive with VSI, voltage source inductor, to control the electric vehicle. It has the intrinsic capability for regeneration, that is 3-phase VSI. Motoring operation is shifted to regenerative operation by reducing the inverter frequency. This is the power circuit diagram of voltage source inverter, three-phase voltage source inverter. This first phase, second phase, and third phase, and these are connected to the star connected rotor, and CF and LF are the filters. Advantages of electric vehicles: less air pollution. Electric vehicles reduces noise pollution. The battery powered vehicles require less maintenance, and it is more reliable because of the absence of fuel injectors, compressors, pumps, and valves. Disadvantages of electric vehicles: it's more expensive as compared to internal combustion vehicles. The battery powered vehicles cannot go far on a single charge. In a single charge, it cannot go for much length. Much longer time is required to charge a battery of battery powered vehicles. Thank you.